Webster University in Tashkent has hosted an international conference for teachers of English as foreign language. The purpose of WUTICCELT 2022 is to provide a platform where English teachers in Uzbekistan can learn more about new pedagogical approaches and know more about cutting-edge research in the field of teaching English as a foreign language. An important aspect for the conference is networking for English language teachers, the chance for like-minded educators to find each other and make valuable connections for the future during the work and experience exchange.
In the 21st century, teaching process cannot be imagined without implementing informational technology. Moreover, today's presentation that we are going to deliver is based on effective tools in implementation of project work with students. We are going to share two applications that are really helpful and useful and beneficial for the students to be motivated and to work on their projects. As we know, the representatives of new generation are keen on, and I would rather say they are addicted at using digital tools. Therefore, we find project-based learning and project-based teaching to be motivating the students to create and to work on their projects. And it gives them a great opportunity not only to develop their language skills, but also to work in cooperation and to improve their lifelong skills.
The conference participants were divided into 3 groups and attended various presentations by teachers from all over Uzbekistan and some foreign specialists. As a part of the presentations, research reports were read out in 6 topics: teacher development, innovative teaching methods, creativity, English for special purposes, the language of instruction, and pedagogical solutions after the pandemic.
Well, there are many different types of methodologies we're using at the moment. The overarching one is called communicative language teaching. But it's an eclectic method, which means that we can take all sorts of different types of activities from different other methodologies, and we use them in a variety of different ways. One of the things we particularly like doing is discovery learning, asking students to work out the rules about the grammar and the text structures through looking at language, learning language from language, we like to call it. Uzbek education still seems to be functioning in the way that Western education functioned in earlier times. And from what I can understand, the interaction in the classroom is quite different. And what we find in our MA TEFL program is that the students are really surprised by the amount of activity and tasks that they do, which they seem to immediately appreciate as strong learning experiences, and then they start using those when they go back to their classrooms, sometimes the very next day.
Some of the organizers of the event were Webster University staff associated with master's degree program, such as art in the field of teaching English as a second language and art in the field of education and innovation. These programs were opened in Uzbekistan to promote the country's education system by training specialists to develop educational programs and familiarize with technology and willing to broadcast the philosophy of lifelong learning while maintaining national respect for the education characteristic of the people of Uzbekistan.